Once upon a time, in a small village nestled between rolling hills and meandering streams, there lived a young girl named Maya. Maya was known for her bright spirit and infectious laughter, but life had not always been easy for her. She grew up in a modest family, facing the daily challenges that came with limited resources. Despite the hardships, Maya harbored a dream that seemed to defy the constraints of her circumstances. From a young age, she had a passion for art and a burning desire to bring color to the world around her. Every spare moment was dedicated to sketching and painting, turning the margins of her notebooks into vibrant canvases that hinted at the talent within her. As Maya grew older, the weight of responsibility bore down on her shoulders. Financial constraints threatened to suffocate her dreams, and societal expectations pressed her to pursue a more conventional path. But Maya, fueled by an unwavering determination, refused to let go of her artistic aspirations. One day, a renowned artist from the city visited the village for an exhibition. Maya seized the opportunity and approached the artist, sharing her portfolio and pouring her heart out about her dreams. The artist, moved by Maya's passion, saw a spark within her and decided to mentor her. Under the guidance of her newfound mentor, Maya's skills blossomed. She learned new techniques, experimented with different mediums, and discovered the power of her own unique voice. The village, initially skeptical of her unconventional path, began to witness the magic that unfolded on her canvases. Maya's artwork caught the attention of art enthusiasts beyond the village. Soon, her paintings were featured in galleries, and she gained recognition for her distinctive style. The once doubtful villagers now celebrated Maya's success, realizing that dreams, no matter how audacious, could indeed come true. Maya's journey not only transformed her life, but also inspired the entire community to believe in the extraordinary power of resilience and passion. Her story became a beacon of hope for aspiring artists and dreamers, reminding them that the pursuit of one's passion could break through the darkest clouds and bring forth the most vibrant hues of success. And so, Maya's village, once a quiet corner in the world, became a hub of creativity and inspiration, all sparked by the unwavering spirit of a young girl who dared to dream against all odds.